what it is. As you can see from the title of the video, we are going to be installing a rear diffuser. It's been a while since I bought car parts or made a video, so yeah, we're going to be installing this rear diffuser. I'm going to set everything up before I install it, because you have to go through some steps to assemble the side part of the diffuser and all the tap. This is what mine came with. I know there's different versions of the same diffuser from this store called Ninte or something, Ninte, and theirs already come with a plug. You plug straight into the brake fitting or the brake socket. With these, you have to either splice, or I'm going to use something called posi-taps. I'll show you if you want to use the same ones I got. Come with some self-tap screws, tape that I will not be using. I bought my own 3M 30-pound tape because these are so weak. Alcohol pads to prep surface. What else? There's brackets that you put, I think, right here on these little indentations. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'll show you some steps. If you're getting the same one I'm getting, I'll link it down in the description for the posi-tap and the diffuser that I got. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start by drilling out these holes or indentations where everything goes. Some of them have kind of a hole already, some of them don't, like this one don't, and this one does. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make the holes bigger. I don't have a mount, so I can't really you know, hold the phone somewhere and do the process, but you get the idea. When you put this diffuser on, there's brackets that I've shown. I've just pasted the inside part towards me, and this is how the bracket's gonna go. So the big hole go towards you, two smaller holes, and they do have indentations on the diffuser. So for example, this one has a curve that curves to the right, so that one fits that one that curves to the right. And along with this one, it's flat. This one will go there because it's flat. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then, yep. When you put the side part of the diffuser in to the fitting, there will be a hole that lines up. Hold on, sorry. There's a hole inside the main part, I guess with the gap, with the hole like this. And you put a screw in one of them. But the part that meets up on the flat side, they do not have holes for you to drill, for like a, you know, indentation for you where to drill. So once the fitting goes inside here, I just held it in. I drilled my own holes and put the screws they provided. So it should look like that. This is the part that goes, this is the bottom side. So bottom side of the car. The one that will be, you know, you have tape and attached to the car is this side, the other side. So yeah, that's what I did. Just for future reference, if anyone's trying to install this and you're confused, because I was. I already did that side, sort of. That part's not coming out. Anyways, I'm not sure if this whole black piece comes out, but I know these side do. And we have bumper clips underneath. We have one here for the diffuser part to take off, and then another one over there that's attached. I do have LED lights under, or underglow, whatever, and I'm probably gonna have to take those out to mess around with, because I think it'll be blocking this. Anyways, put that out, that part. And I have a plastic removal kit for trims bumpers, all that. We're just gonna fit that in, try to pry it like that. Comes out. All you gotta do is pull. It's plastic, so don't be scared. Plastic will bend, but I can't do this with one hand, so I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like. Alright, so as I said, plastic will bend, and I almost broke it. I did not know there's a screw inside holding this. I was trying to pull and tug. Let me show you where it is. Let's go underneath. And hold on. Right there. I can't see it, but you can tell it's there. You just need a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that out along with the other side. So, yep, my apologies. Alright, so, sorry for the wind. After you take out the screw that I did not know we had in there, I took that part out, and the other side, and then what leaves you is this middle piece, like that, right there. This, for sure, you just pull it out. I didn't use that to get a hold of the side so I could pull it. Yeah, so that comes out, and where these clips are, your new diffuser have clips also to go alongside the bumper. And I will show you what tape I got, so you can go buy them yourself if you want. I bought this Scotch Mount Extreme 30-pound hold, 3M. And just a side note, I do use this to clean my windows instead of what is it called, clay. They both work the same way. I've seen detailers use this too for windows. These are really fine grit, and they're not rough at all. They're really soft. Kind of feel like I don't know, like a microfiber, pretty much. That's what it feels like. But yeah, I use these. I got these from Lowe's or Home Depot also to clean windows. Only windows. Don't clean your paint. Yeah, so we're gonna be putting tape on the side up there, there, and there. You don't need tape up here because they have clips already. So yeah. Okay, update. That's how it looks. If you're wondering about that tape, mine just popped off for some reason. The red part and the whole light panel just came apart. So I'm trying to Gorilla Glue it, have it hold. So, if your car came with mudguards, like mine did, here, this diffuser, or maybe any diffuser, will not work because it will extend past. Here's the lining of the mudguard. It will extend past that, and there's no way under, over, inside of it because it just doesn't fit. Yeah, that's how it looks. Don't really like that, but we'll see. If any problems occur, then I may take it off. But for right now, that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to fit the other side and then refit my underglow. After that, we're gonna get to the lighting, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that if I do it. Hopefully it don't take me longer than it should, so yeah. Alright, now that I got that situated, sort of, not really, got everything fitted for the most part. I'm gonna route my wire to the right headlight, or right taillight, sorry. So this cover that blocks the taillight and everything, you just pry it open with a flathead, it'll come out like that. And we need to remove 1 and 2 screw to get it out. So gonna go ahead and do that. All right, it was a pain getting the wire all the way inside of the trunk. So there's a gap between the bumper and the trunk after you take off the seal. But what I did the old zip tie trick. Since the wire's flimsy, you just put a zip tie on it. I had to put 2 so that you have a little bit of stiffness to get through all that. That's if you're doing it with one person. That's how I did it. Don't really have anyone to help me, so that's how I did it. Pull it out. The extra wires down there, we're gonna pull how much we can, and we'll see if it's touching anything down there, and then we'll probably zip tie or tape it somewhere. But yeah, here's what we got. Took it out. We're gonna tap it in, and I'll show you how to do that. I got some wire right here shown. Just so you know, the wire has black, yellow, green, dark green, and light green. There's 2 black wires. I don't know which one I'm supposed to be tapping into, but we'll figure that out in a minute. So it must be the one that's connected to the brake light right there. I guess the thicker one. Anyways, I bought these posi-taps. 20 to 22 gauge. Let me show you what they are and what they do. So there's 2 ends that screw in. One end will have a gap on one cap. That's where you put your wire that you want to tap into, one of the wires, into here, and then you screw it in. And the other side, let me show you that. Let me see. I'm trying to do this with one hand, hold on. Okay, the other end, you fit your wire through the cap. Fit your wire through the cap, and then through the cap it will meet a metal part, so they all make contact. So that's how it works. Sorry for the one hand, and I'm gonna try to do this and then show you guys what it looks like. So this is how it's gonna look. As you can see, it's far easier than stripping wires and taping clamps, anything like that. You just screw and good to go. So the order of operation here is red to dark green, and then yellow to light green, and that black to one of those blacks, which I think is a thicker black, because there's one black to the reverse and one to the brake light. So yeah, I'll figure that out in a minute. Well, everything seems to be working. This is what it looks like. I will be putting electrical tape around it just to make sure. White wire you don't worry about. So the black wire does go to the thick black wire from your wires on the car. There's a thin one, then a thick one. Yellow to light green, red to dark green. So that's the orders. Now I just gotta, I guess, tuck these wires in somewhere and on the bottom, see if they're touching. So I'll be doing that, and we will show you the car afterwards. It should be done. Oh, sorry about my car. Nothing but cleaning supplies and everything. Alright, that concludes the video. Hopefully y'all understand what I was talking about installing the rear diffuser, but for the most part it was easy. I think the most difficult part was trying to fit the clips in and get it to go in all the way, because it wasn't fitting all the way for some reason. I'll show you from the back. There it is from the back. Definitely an improvement from the stock, you know, just rear bumper, how it looked. Given due time, I will check the diffuser to see if it burns or it gets hot on the top side of the mufflers. And I'm pretty sure an aftermarket muffler probably would hit. I don't know. But yeah, that's how it sits now. So tune in on the next video. Don't know when that is, but see y'all later. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.